for 22 years. And probably for the past 10 years on my list is to replace my windows that year. And then somehow it just got pushed back and pushed back. But they were the old wooden windows that you had to pull up like this. And one year I painted my trim, and I would almost hurt my back every time I tried to open the windows. So they were needing to be replaced, yeah. Well, my parents had their windows redone about a year ago. And so I was pretty impressed, and they loved the group. So when I decided it was time for me to get my windows done, I started looking into them. They replaced all of my pre-existing windows except for one, and then they wrapped the trim of the garage door and then 2 of the back doors on the house. Oh, they were fantastic. Yeah. Tyler was amazing. He was a workhorse, and I've never seen anybody work so hard. I even made him homemade cookies and milk, and they wouldn't stop for him. So I finally dumped out the warm milk and put the cookies in a baggie and sent them with them. It makes my small house look so much bigger. I love it. I love my picture window. I love my kitchen window. It doesn't have all that wood blocking the view. And in my office, it feels like it's doubled the size. And it's quiet. We have a train just 2 blocks away. And when it went by, I thought something's different, and it does sound quieter in this house. I would definitely recommend Energy Guard to a friend. I would tell them that they have high quality windows, and the work that they do is phenomenal. And the people that install the windows are high quality. So definitely go with them.